If you take a loan of 1 lakh rupees from a regular bank for a year, the bank charges you 1,15,000 a year later. This amount is called interest in English. This is pure interest and is haram. If you take a loan of 1 lakh rupees from an Islamic bank for a year, on whose board a mufti is sitting, the bank does not charge you 1,15,000 a year later, because this is haram. The bank becomes your business partner. Although you have to do business with 1 lakh, you should decide the profit. But the bank decides the profit itself and charges you from 1,18,000 to 1,25,000. It does not fix the amount because the mufti and the Sharia board also have to pay the hefty salary. This is not interest and is halal because this interest is charged in Arabic words even more than the banks. Now you lease a car from a regular bank. The bank buys a car worth 2 million and makes you its owner, and every month it collects interest, insurance and installments on it according to the interest rate given by the state bank, cyber etc., which is worth 43,000 rupees per month. When the contract period is completed, you are the owner of the car, and this is haram. You lease the same car worth 2 million from a bank with Islamic touch. The bank buys the car and registers it in its name and becomes the owner of the car and rents the car to you. Now you have to pay 46,000 rupees every month as rent and kafala or takaful, Islamic insurance, to the bank according to the interest rate of the state bank and Cyber Plus. When the contract period is completed, for example, 5 years, the car is owned by the bank and you have to return it to the bank, or you can buy the car from the bank by paying some amount, which was previously agreed upon, which can be between 5% and 50% of the total amount of the car. This car is halal and blessed. That's what we call a halala, and such an intention is called a trick.